My name is Radhika Ivaturi. I'm 10 years old and a sixth grader studying in India. I'm very excited to take part in JuliaCon 2021. I started programming in Julia, looking at the people around me using code in their daily lives. I was inspired by my family using code, and this made me want to use code and learn it too. Though at first, Julia seemed hard and confusing, it became easier as I progressed on with learning the code. I began learning Julia with the help of the book of Julia Algorithms. It introduced me to the fundamentals of programming. A basic group of notes bunched together to create a song or a melody is a song notation. As you can see, the notes in the blue box indicate the Indian notation, whereas the one in the green represent the Western notation. Here is an example of how a song would look after translation. I learned music using Indian classical notations as well as the Western ones. However, it was difficult to understand for the people around me. This got me thinking, and I wondered if I could use Julia to help solve this problem. Musical Julia first began with an if-else loop. All the other fundamentals of the Julia book were also used in the program and helped me a lot. While creating the program, I also learned quite a lot about new functions such as push and file writing and reading. I also learned a lot about arrays. The current status of my program. It can take the user's input in any notation and output it in the other one. It also allows the user to choose from the library of songs. Though the code is still a work in progress, I finished most of it, and there's still so much more I'd love to add. I want to make this code into an app to make it more accessible to the people, as well as enabling it to read sheet music, which is another problem I'd really like to solve one day. And I'd like to say thank you to everyone who helped me on this amazing journey, and lastly to the JuliaCon community and also to the JuliaCon organizers for accepting me and allowing me to share my wonderful experience on Julia so far with all of you. Thank you. Now I'm going to walk you through the run code. This is how it looks after running. The program allows the user to choose from the inbuilt library and also to upload their own file. The code is available at the given link. And thank you once again for this amazing opportunity from JuliaCon 2021. Thank you.